Hello friends, I am going to discuss illustration number 32 of CMA Inter Finance Cost and FM. This is the leverage analysis. Please read the questions here. Illustration number 32. The following data is available in XYZ Limited. Sales 2 lakh, variable cost 30%, contribution 1,40,000, fixed cost 1 lakh, EBIT 40,000, interest these are information. These informations are given. In this case, you find out using the concept of financial leverage by what percentage will the taxable income, profit before tax increases if EBIT increases by 6%. EBIT increases by 6%. In this case, you have to calculate degree of financial leverage. And we know that degree of financial leverage equal to, first you have to calculate working note calculation of degree of financial leverage. What EBIT divided by EBIT divided by EBT. EBIT we have 40,000 and EBT we have 35,000. This is what will be the degree of financial leverage. 40,000 divided by 35,000. This is 1.1428. 1.1428. This is the 1.143. This is the degree of financial leverage. Now the question is, first part, please look at here. Using the concept of financial leverage, by what percentage will taxable income, profit before tax, if EBIT increases by 6%. So degree of financial leverage 1.1428 means, 1.1428 means if EBIT changes by 1%, then earning before tax, taxable income will increases by 1.1428. Degree of financial leverage 1.1428 means if EBIT changes by 1%, taxable income will changes by 1.1428%. 1.1428%. Look at here. Degree of financial leverage 1.1 degree of financial leverage means for every 1% change, 1% increase by EBIT, taxable income increased by 1.428%. If it is increases by 6%, taxable income increases by 6%, 6 into 1.428, 1.1428 into 6, that is 6.857%. 6.857%. Okay. Now, using the concept of operating leverage, by what percentage EBIT increases if there is 10% increases in sale? You need to calculate degree of operating leverage here. Look at here. Degree of operating leverage for second part, calculation of degree of operating leverage. Degree of operating leverage. Degree of operating leverage equal to contribution upon EBIT. What is the contribution you have? 1,40,000. EBIT 40,000. 1,40,000 divided by 40,000. 1,40,000 divided by 40,000. 3.5. Degree of operating leverage 3.5 means if sales increases by 6%, EBIT will changes by 3.5%. That is, if EBIT changes by 3.5%, then sales changes by 1%. This is the meaning of degree of operating leverage. Why I have written EBIT first? Because the percentage change of EBIT is given in the questions. Look at here in the question number B part. Using the concept of operating leverage, by what percentage will the EBIT will increase if sales, if there is 10% changes in sales, 10% changes in sales. The change 10%, this is changes, that this will be 3.5 into 10%, that is 35%. This is 35%. That is, if sales changes by 10%, then 35% will change by EBIT. Now, in the case of third part, what you have to look at here, 35%. Using concept of leverage, what will the percentage taxable income increases if sales increases by 6%? Using concept of leverages, what percentage will the taxable income will increases if sales increases? In this case, relation between sales and taxable income is determined by combined leverage. And degree of combined leverage equal to degree of operating leverage into degree of financial leverage, and degree of operating leverage 3.5 and degree of financial leverage is 1.1428. 1.1428. 1.1428, that equal to 3.9998, that equal to 3.9998, that equal to 4. It means sales changes by 1%, taxable profit will changes by 4%. In the given questions, using the concept of leverage, by what percentage of taxable profit increases if sales increases by 6%? If sales increases by 6%, our taxable profit will increases by 4 into 6, that equal to 24%. 24%. This should be your answers. Okay, look at your answer here. 1.15, this, is proved here. In that second case, if sales increases 10%, okay, here it is proved in the questions. This is 35%, and here that is 54,000 increases. 35% of 40,000, that is 14,000, and in the last cases it is 24%, and in the question it is proved if sales increases by this, then what will percentage will increase will operating profit. Okay, that this question is already done. You need not required to show this, but in question it is shown. It is a good. You should practice after solving these questions. First, you increase the sale, and after this, you have to show the this also. The why this is calculated 43 point this. Then what was the earlier earning before tax in the questions? That was the 35,000. 35%. Look at here, 35%. So 35,000. This was the 35,000 plus 35,000 into 24%. 35,000 plus 8,400. After adding this, you are getting 43,400, which you are calculated here. It is proved. Okay. In the second case, EBIT should be, what was the EBIT first? EBIT 40,000. 40,000. In second case, 35% of 40,000. 40,000 plus 14, 54,000. This is a 54,000. This is calculated. In this question solution, in the solution of the questions, it is proved. You can prove as well. Income statement, you know how to calculate. Okay. Thank you, class.